Hey data wizards, ever felt stuck choosing between statistical software? Let's settle the score in a 1-minute showdown. JMP versus STATA. Which one should you use? JMP, the Visual Explorer. Think of JMP from the creators of SAS as the artist's canvas for your data. Its biggest strength is its highly interactive point-and-click interface. Superpower, dynamic data visualization. You can click on a point in a graph, and it highlights the corresponding data in your table instantly. It's fantastic for exploring your data and discovering patterns without writing a single line of code. Best for engineers, scientists, and anyone who wants to quickly see and understand their data. It excels in quality control and design of experiments, DOE. STATA, the research powerhouse. Now meet STATA. If JMP is an artist, STATA is a surgeon. Precise, powerful, and trusted for serious operations. Its heart and soul is its command line interface. Superpower, reproducibility, and advanced econometrics. Every analysis you run is based on code, creating a perfect script you can save, share, and rerun. This is the gold standard for academic publishing, best for economists, social scientists, and researchers who need robust, citable, and reproducible results for complex statistical models. The verdict. So, which one wins? It depends on your quest. Choose JMP if you're a visual thinker who needs to explore and interact with your data on the fly. Choose STATA if you're a serious researcher who needs code-driven power, precision, and reproducibility for publication. What's your tool of choice?